Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to search Steam discussions. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To search Steam discussions, you can follow these steps. Open the Steam client on your PC. Look for the game or topic for which you want to find discussions. On the Game Store page or in the library, look for the Community Hub option or a similar option that leads to the game's community page. Now, on the community page, you will find a Discussions tab. Click on it to access the discussions related to the game. Now, on the Discussions page, there should be a search bar. Enter your keywords or the topic you want to search for. Now, press enter or click on the search icon to initiate the search. And now, Steam will display the search results related to your query within the discussions. By following these steps, you can easily search and find discussions on Steam related to specific games or topics. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.